Hey there, and welcome to this quick tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to save your mobile data by setting Netflix to use Wi-Fi only on your Android phone. If you're tired of Netflix eating up your mobile plan, this guide is perfect for you. Let's get started right away. First, open the Netflix app on your Android phone. Tap My Netflix at the bottom right of the screen to open your profile tab. Now, tap the three lines at the top right corner to access the menu. From the menu, tap on App Settings to open the Settings panel. In the Settings list, tap Cellular Data Usage. Here, turn off the Automatic option by tapping the switch. Once that's off, select the option Wi-Fi Only from the list. Tap OK to confirm and apply your new setting. That's it. You've successfully changed Netflix to use Wi-Fi only. This simple tweak can help you avoid unwanted data charges. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.